So what is up guys, it is Technology Hell back here. Welcome back to another episode of PC Setup Wars. Setup Wars is a series where you submit your setup to us and we feature it here on our channel. If you are also interested in participating, make sure to check down the first link in video description where all details and instructions are clearly given. So without wasting much time, let the episode 4 of our PC Setup Wars begin. So starting the show with our first participant, who is Saurabh Shah, a 26-year-old desktop support engineer from Chandan Nagar, West Bengal. With the first look, you can see the setup is quite neat and tidy and well maintained. With a minimalist look all over the setup, it is looking really good. This quotation on the wall, it does suit the setup with the overall theme, and custom light job shows that yes, this guy is dedicated to lightings no matter what. We can clearly see that he has tried to maintain a blue theme all over the setup but could not do so because of the breathing effects in the mouse and keyboard. Nevertheless, he tried his best and his setup is actually looking good. On his system configuration, he is running a Ryzen 3 3100 with the stock cooler, a GT 710 graphics card with 8GB RAM from HyperX. The only suggestion here in specifications is that you need to upgrade your GPU. GT 710 stands nowhere in today's level of graphics consumption. You can either upgrade to a GTX 1050 or a 1650. Both are one of the best budget graphics cards available right now. So moving on to the peripherals which he is using includes a 15.6-inch monitor from AOC. The mouse and keyboard are from the Zebronics Transformer combo and a Flipkart Bluetooth speaker with an extended mouse mat from Cosmic Byte. So in the end, you need to upgrade your graphics card. Once done, then you can just upgrade your monitor to a 1080p one because your system is capable of 1080p gaming while your monitor is not able to support even something higher than 720p. So you need to upgrade these two stuff, then get a bit of cable management on the rear side of your table, maintain the wires for the LED strips which you have attached on the wall, and then your setup will turn out to something even better. Anyways, Saurabh Shah, thanks for participating. Moving on to our second participant, we have Mohammad Kaif, who is a 20 years old student from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. The first impression made by his setup is actually good, an overall clean, tidy and minimalist, perfectly built and balanced gaming setup. The use of RGB, the placement of peripherals, the routing of the wires, the symmetry maintained, everything is so perfectly and well done that his setup deserves a 10 out of 10. The red theme on the left side and the blue theme moving towards the right is a nice choice and a good color combination. In fact, the job done inside the cabinet is actually good. Perfect cable management, perfect cleanness, there is no dust anywhere over the setup, everything is clean and tidy and perfectly done. He is running on a Ryzen 5 2600 with a GTX 1070 and 16GB of RAM. While his peripherals include the ROG Strix 144Hz 27-inch monitor with that RGB illumination on the table, which is looking insane. The mouse is a Logitech G502, Cosmic Byte CVGK03 mechanical keyboard, while the headsets are from Cosmic Byte. Your setup is so perfectly well maintained and balanced that I don't have any suggestions to give you. He has also attached a pic of his previous gaming setup which included the driving wheel, the driving gear and all other stuff from his old setup, which is now a part of his brother's gaming setup, which will be featured on our channel very soon. Glad to see such a perfectly and well done gaming setup. Mohammad Kaif, thanks for participating. Moving on to our third participant for the show, we have Vishal Singh, who is a 31 years old designer from Calicut, Kerala. His setup is one of the best setup according to me because it is my custom favorite. He participated before with his laptop based setup, which was not less. In spite of being a laptop based setup, it stood in competition with desktop setups, and this time he is here with his new PC and participating back into the setup wars. The color theme on the wallpaper, the RGB lighting on the sides, the table lightings, the equipment, the gears, the tablecloth and the mouse mat itself, everything has created such a color combination which is really pleasing to the eyes. While his idea of making the symmetry on his setup with the speakers, the cabinet, the monitor placed on the VESA mount, the placement of his speakers, his headphones, his lightings, his photo frames, everything is so perfectly done that the overall setup looks insane. The cable management has also been done perfectly. You can see there are no cables all over the setup. His beast consists of a Ryzen 7 3700X with an RTX 2070 Super, 16GB of RAM, and with this master case from Cooler Master gives an awesome look to the PC. While his peripherals include a 27-inch 144Hz 1 millisecond response time monitor from Acer, a G102 mouse from Logitech, Razer Synosa Chroma keyboard, and HyperX Cloud 2 Silver Edition headphones. Again, I don't have any suggestions to give you. Your setup is looking extremely awesome and perfectly balanced. All you can do is that you can just get yourself a basic blue LED strip and put it on the back of your table. There is lighting but only on the sides. Get it spread all over the table and your setup will look even better. Anyways Vishal, thanks for participating. Moving on to our fourth participant, we have got Yasir Bukhari, a 31-year-old non-linear editor from Karachi. With the first look, you get a bit of gamer vibes from his setup. Everything is on a dark theme, blue, red and black color combination, making his setup look insane, and lots of his customization, which is adding on extra looks to the setup. From the dual monitor setup, you can conclude he might be a streamer or a content creator, and you can see the infinity mirrors on his cabinet, and the clock which he has made himself shows his creativity. The table has been well maintained with lots of toys and decorative items, which does not give a look that his setup is empty. With his creativity, his color combination and his consolation of all the peripherals, giving a really good look to his setup. Moving on to his equipment, he is running a 27-inch monitor from Planner while a 21-inch monitor from HP. The mouse is a G502, the keyboard is LS806, while the headset is from A4 Tech. While his specifications consist of an Intel Xeon E5430 with a Radeon HD 6450 graphics card, 16GB RAM, 128GB SSD and a 2TB hard drive. With the PSU and the motherboard, we can declare that yes, it is a server-based PC which he is using for gaming purpose. So for an upgrade, you will have to build a completely new PC because on this motherboard you cannot install a new processor, nor you can go with a good graphics card. Collect some money and get yourself a new PC, at least a Ryzen 5 and a GTX or an RX graphics card. After that, I'm pretty sure your equipment will run at their full potential. You can either start content creation, full-time gaming or become a part-time streamer. It's up to you. Your PC will be upgraded and you'll have a new rig with awesome and high-end performance. After that, your PC will be absolutely perfect. Nevertheless, Yasir, thanks for participating. Moving on to our fifth and last participant, we have Shivam K, who is an 18 years old student from Pune, Maharashtra. He's running a laptop based setup which is actually looking good as compared to any other desktop setup with external display, input and output devices attached. It is no less as compared to any other desktop. In spite of being a laptop centric setup, it is still looking good with this external display, RGB theme, symmetrical look all over the setup, custom LED job, this headphone mount beneath the table and the lightings all around the table. They are looking extremely good and somewhat relaxing to the eyes. The laptop is from Asus running a Ryzen 3 3550H with a GTX 1050 and 16GB of RAM. While he has attached an external monitor which is an LG 144Hz 1ms response time Ultra Gear, a 27-inch IPS panel monitor, the Ant Esports World of Warship Edition mouse with a Cosmic Byte CPGK03 mechanical keyboard and the Redgear Hellfury 7.1 surround headphones. His configuration, his equipment, his peripherals and his setup, everything is perfect. As a suggestion, if possible, kindly upgrade your table because it is looking that everything is a bit too congested. Your mouse mat needs a bit more space to spread out, while your monitor is extremely in collision with your laptop, which is not looking a bit good. On the new table, you can keep your monitor as the centric display and your laptop on the side as a secondary display, which you can use for any other purpose. I guess after upgrading your table, your setup will look even better. Nevertheless, Shivam, thanks for participating. So these were our 5 participants for episode 4 of PC Setup Wars. YouTube has removed the option of polling from the I button, so you'll have to go to the comment section and just write down the name of the participant whose setup you found to be the best one. Looking forward for more registrations for Setup Wars. If you're also interested, make sure to register. If you have any friend who might be interested, make sure to share this video to them and let them know about the Setup Wars and ask them to register if they can. So that's all for this episode of Setup Wars. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are interested in such videos, make sure to subscribe as we keep coming up with such videos every week. Thanks for watching.